Hi guys, are you feeling stuck trying to get started with all of the online marketing platforms that exist today? Well, watch this video and you'll find out how you can get started on digital marketing right now and do it with confidence. Hello, I'm Mallory Graham of MalloryGraham.com. For marketing and small business advice, subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell so you can get notified when I post a brand new video every Tuesday. If you're feeling overwhelmed with all the digital marketing tactics available to you, by the end of this video, you'll know my 5 top tips for how to get started with digital marketing and also achieve the highest return on your investment possible. I've proven this method with many clients and now it is your turn. Tip number 1. Understand what marketing is. Marketing, whether it's online marketing or offline marketing, is simply just getting customers interested in your products or services. Not only that, it's specifically intentionally moving them from being a stranger of your business to a promoter of your business. Marketing is often confused with advertising or sales or promotion, but these are simply activities that exist within marketing. So now that you know what marketing is, let's move on to tip number 2. Tip number 2, understand what digital marketing is. This might seem super simple, however, digital marketing is a term that is tossed around a lot these days. So just to clarify, digital marketing is an all-inclusive term that is comprised of all of our online marketing efforts. Businesses utilize channels and platforms such as Google, social media, email, and their websites to connect with potential customers and existing customers. If you're looking for a more detailed understanding of what digital marketing is and how you can use it for your business, I've created a digital marketing guide that is available at the link below for a free download. Tip number 3, thrive on the changing nature of digital. Unlike traditional channels like print, radio, and TV ads, the nature of digital marketing is changing very quickly. This means that even the most seasoned digital marketers have to adapt to changes on the tools that they're using every day. So if you are brand new to digital marketing, you can use this as an advantage to just jump right in and learn very quickly as it is such a disruptive environment. Are you someone who thrives on change? If yes, leave a comment below with yes. If no, leave a comment below with no. Tip number 4, know who your customers are. As with traditional marketing, it is crucial to understand who your customers are and where they're hanging out online. There are tons of distractions for marketers and business owners on the latest tools and tactics for your business. The key is to understand what your customers care about, what they're doing online, when they are on those platforms, and what it is that they're looking up. Once you know what platforms they actually use, you can focus on optimizing those specific platforms and doing it in a way that best meets the needs and wants of your customers. One example would be if you've heard that you should be utilizing Snapchat or Twitter 100% and investing money in ads on those platforms, and your customers aren't actually using those platforms, it doesn't make any sense for you to actually be on them. So again, focus on who your customers are, what types of platforms fit their demographics and the things that they like to do and research and look up, and focus on optimizing your presence on that platform. Tip number 5 is probably the most important, and that is to fall in love with helping your customers. The reason I say this is because a lot of small business owners have trouble with the digital marketing. Social media in particular, because we open ourselves up to a lot of criticism and vulnerability. It's easy to become afraid and self-conscious of what people are going to say and become afraid that our posts are going to come across as salesy. However, if we're consistently in the mindset that our goal is to help people and provide solutions to our customers and help them to find us who otherwise wouldn't find us, then that is one way that you can overcome that fear of posting and being extremely active on social media. Comment below if you've found these tips at all helpful, and if you have any other tips for brand new users of online marketing, please leave them below as well. If you're looking for a step-by-step process for how to create your own digital marketing strategy, I've created a digital marketing strategy guidebook, which can be downloaded at the link below. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button, and also subscribe and share it with your friends. If you found this video to be helpful to you, please let me know with a comment below.